Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. So, today we are solving one of those famous looks innocent, destroys confidence type of question from the Jadavpur University UG entrance questions. Now, many students think economics entrance means the demand, supply, inflation, GDP, but Jadavpur says no. First, survive the geometry. So, this examination loves the logical visualization, hidden mathematics, the smart shortcuts and the elegant reasoning. And today's problem is a beautiful mixture of the geometry and the similar triangles and the logical visualization. And trust me, after today, you will see crossing lines and poles everywhere. So this question is basically from the previous year paper. Okay. So first we will read the question. Question is, two vertical poles of heights 20 meter and 80 meters stand apart on a horizontal plane. The height in meters of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the other from this horizontal plane is what? A says 12, B says 15, C says 16 and D says 18. All right. So let's solve this together. Okay. So basically, what is the situation? We first have to understand that. Now, two vertical poles of heights 20 meter and 80 meter stand apart on a horizontal plane, and the lines joining top of first pole to the foot of the second and the top of the second pole to the foot of the first and intersect, and find the height of the point of the intersection from the ground. Okay. Now, students, before solving, always make the picture on your brain. Without visualization, geometry becomes a horror movie mathematics. So imagine one pool, 20 meter. I know my drawing is very bad. And this is 20 meter. And another pole, this is about the 80 meter. Okay, standing apart and a line from the top of the smaller pole to the bottom of the bigger pole. Okay, and another line from the top of the bigger pole to the bottom of the smaller pole. Okay, I know my drawing is extremely bad. Now, these two lines cross each other somewhere in the middle. Okay, now think of two monkeys throwing ropes at each other from treetops. Okay, then one monkey sits on 20 meter and the another monkey sits on 80 meter, and their ropes cross in the air. And the question is, at what height do monkeys create this X-shaped intersection? Okay, so this question is secretly about the similar triangles, and there is an ultra famous shortcut hidden there. Now, suppose the intersection point is at the height h. This is h. Okay, and now we will use the triangle ratio. Okay, now if I ask which pole is taller, 80 meter, correct? So naturally, the intersection point should be below 20. No. Above 80? Absolutely not. It must lie somewhere in between. Right? Now, here comes the magic. For this exact configuration, if two poles have heights A and B, then height of the intersection, this will be AB by A plus B. This is a very important shortcut trick. Okay. Now, H is AB by A plus B. This is one of the most beautiful geometry shortcuts in the aptitude mathematics, and students love it because no complicated algebra, no coordinate geometry, and direct answer in 10 seconds. Now substitute. A is what? 20, B is 80. So we can say H is equal to 20 into 80 by 20 plus 80. So this is 1600 by 100. So this will be yes, 16. So what will be the final answer? Option number C, 16. Okay. So this question looked scary, but answer came faster than the food delivery. Now, students, I'm telling you some important concepts. If two lines connect opposite ends like this, okay, the intersection height is not the arithmetic mean. Many students incorrectly do like 20 plus 80 by 250. No, this is not the average height problem. This is the harmonic type geometric relation. Okay. So the crossing lines create the similar triangles and the proportional segments. And from the similarity, we get h by 20 minus h. This is equal to 80 minus h by h. Now solving gives h into a plus b. This is ab. Thus we can say h equal to ab by a plus b. Okay. Now notice something beautiful. The answer 16 is less than the smaller pole 20. So this always happens. Intersection height is always less than the smaller height. Okay. Very, very important examination intuition I'm giving you. Now, this is like two friends, one tall and one short, trying to cross the laser pointers. And the crossing point always comes closer to the ground than expected. So, mathematics is basically humble. It keeps the intersection grounded. So, whenever you see like the poles, ladders, crossing ropes, and the intersecting diagonals, immediately think about the similar triangles because the entrance examinations love hiding the similarity inside the diagrams. So basically, given A is 20, B is 80, formula is H is equal to AB by A plus B. Now substitute the value. So we got H equal to 16 meter. Okay. Very, very nice question. So today we learned two poles crossed. Students panicked, but mathematics calmly said like, relax beta, just use the shortcut. And we have used it. So I think these logics are clear to you. If you still have any kind of doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. So this is all about I have to say for this question. And in the next session, we will be doing this kind of questions again. And we will be solving some previous year question. So see you in the next session, guys. Bye bye.